nice evening. It really, really is. You know what it misses, Joe? It misses a nice honking contest. And don't tell me you don't want to do it, because I know you do. Let me start just to show you that I am the ultimate honking champion. Just watch that. That was a really good one, a good combo. I don't really think that you can beat that, can you? Oh, show me what you can do. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, maybe I can do it as well as I can. Interesting. Oh, that was a loud one. It really was. Well, that was impressive. We should try doing that together. What do you say? Yeah? Let's go. Really good. What's up movie now? What do you say?